I don't know about y'all, but Amazon is at my house too much for me not to get cash back and not get rewards for all the stuff that I spend with them. Now they are on it. They're like doing what they need to do. I love that I can buy something from them and I can get that thing same day within a few hours sometimes. And I know they're only going to get better. So I definitely want to do a review on the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card. And we're just going to call it the Amazon credit card to make it easier. But I definitely have to do a review on this card because I use it a lot. I know they're going to be around in the future, so I definitely wanted to do a review so you guys can be able to get rewards because so many people spending money with them. Why not get the rewards? Now look right here, we have approval for $5,000, which is really amazing, and then we have another approval for $8,000. So if you guys are looking to get approved for this credit card, then definitely stick around because this is like one of the best credit cards of the year, especially a credit card you want to have in your wallet. If this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. I talk about real estate, I talk about credit, I talk about so many different things sometimes because I just do too much. But definitely make sure you guys like this video, make sure you guys subscribe. If you ever have any questions, let me know your questions down in the comments. I try to answer your questions in the comments because I'm just so busy. I can't really keep up with like my calls and emails and stuff right now, but I'm working to get better at that. I'm working to manage everything. But definitely leave that comment and that's a great place where I can actually answer it faster. Now, I don't want to waste any time. Let's get deeper and let's talk about this credit card even more. Now, let's start off by saying this credit card don't have an annual fee and they don't charge any foreign transaction fees. So I told you guys a few days ago about the Venture One Rewards credit card with Capital One. They don't charge foreign transaction fees either. So if you guys like to travel, then this is a great credit card you can have with you when you travel because they're not going to charge you additional fees. Some credit cards charge you additional fees, but they're not going to charge you additional fees. So check out that other Venture One just in case you guys like to travel. That may be a great credit card for you, and it's easy approval. Similar to this one. Now this one you have to have, I say, good credit or excellent credit. Depending on what type of credit you have is going to depend on how much of a limit you guys are going to get. So definitely try to have the best credit that you can have. Understand that this is a Chase credit card, and I always tell people try to have your credit score over 680, 720 if you can. That's just something that you guys should aim for so that you're not always asking what credit score do I need. Get your credit score to a place where you have a credit score that they need. Like you just have it, okay, you guys? So definitely check out my exclusive membership for that. Try to figure out what you have to get removed or what you have to do to boost your credit score. Now, there's other similar credit cards to this one with cashback. I definitely have that available too on the blog, so definitely check that out. And like I said, it's a Chase credit card, so Chase got that 524 rule. They don't want you to have more than 5 credit cards in the last 24 months. Now, even though they have that rule, they're more loose on this credit card, so that rule is not really going to apply for this credit card. Some of their other branded cards, so definitely check out this credit card and the other branded cards because you guys, even if you have 5 accounts within the last 24 months, you still have a great chance of getting approved for this one, which is really good. Now, like I said, you guys are getting rewards. I used to be vegan, got with my babe, started eating meat and stuff, so I used to be vegan before. I used to always shop at Whole Foods, and if you guys are a Prime member and you have this credit card, you guys can get 5% back at Amazon, just Amazon in general, and then too, you can get that back at Whole Foods. So for those people that still like to shop at Whole Foods, you know, get certain things, or if you just like to shop there in general, you get to get 5% back there and also at Amazon. And you're also going to get 2% cash back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores. Now, usually I hear restaurants, gas stations, that's like Discover kind of thing, but with this one, they actually have drugstores on there. So definitely that's a good credit card for those people that like to go to CVS and Walgreens like me. Also, you guys, you're gonna get 1% back everywhere else. So no matter where you spend your credit card at, you're gonna get that 1% cash back. Now they also have 10% back on rotating categories. So definitely check that out. Like I said, they're rotating, so you don't know what it is at any given. Well, you don't know what it is until you actually look because they're rotating, you guys. So definitely check and see what you can get the 10% back on. Because if you guys are looking for deals, the point is you can get 10% back. It's like having a 10% discount. Like that is really good, you all. Now I'll always tell people you want to try to get a card with a 0% intro APR, and this is that one. Now they have the 0% intro APR from for 6 to 18 months depending on what you purchase, you guys, and the balance you have. You have to spend at least $50, so it's kind of like a buy now pay later kind of thing. So I really like that Amazon have that, so definitely check that out. And when you guys actually get approved for this card, a lot of times too, they're going to give you a gift card, and that gift card is going to be available right away. So try to see what you can get on that gift card. So to see what it is at the time you watching that video, just look on this, look on Amazon and see what that gift card is looking like. Look up, see what they can give you, and definitely look into getting that gift card and see if you can buy something within that with a 10% back on a rotating category, so you guys can have even more. It's like you really winning with that. Now the link for this credit card is in the description and in the comments. I know I'm kind of talking fast, but I just want you guys like to know everything about a credit card. I don't want to waste your time. That way you know all the features they have and everything they have to offer. Now don't forget, this is a Chase credit card. Chase like to pull Experian. Okay, Chase like to pull Experian. Depending on where you at, they may pull something different. I'm not sure. I would tell you guys just to expect to get Experian hard pull. They are going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. So if you guys looking to get a better credit score from their reporting, then this is a great credit card because they are going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. I just tell people, like, when you guys get these credit cards, like, make sure you keep the balance on your credit cards, because when you guys use too much money on your credit cards, you're going to see your credit score drop because your utilization is really high. You're utilizing a lot of your credit cards. So try to not spend too much money on your credit cards. And with me, I like to pay my full statement balance a few days before my due date, because that just guarantees I'm not going to have to pay any interest on that credit card's fees and inflation right now. Like when I'm recording this video, I know y'all start probably still watching the video years from now, but fees and inflations and all that stuff, it's just really high. Even food prices and stuff like that, gas is really high. I don't want to spend extra money on interest. Like you could have just bought the item with your debit card and saved money by not using your credit card, and you're not even really getting cash back if you're keeping a balance on your credit card. So try to pay your full statement balance a few days before your due date. If for some reason you can't keep it like that, because I've been there too, where it's like, yes, I paid my full statement balance, but I need to use my credit card again because I need the money. Then I tell people, if you're in that situation, until you can just have it paid off completely, don't use your credit card again until 3 days after your due date. So at least they can report that you have a paid off credit card, even if you were to use your credit card again. So that's just one of my suggestions for you all. Now don't forget, they can give you this credit card with the gift card. I really think you all should try to get it, and I love that they have those approvals too, that $5,000 approval and that $8,000 approval. That is a good sign that you can possibly get a higher limit credit card, especially if you guys are just now kind of building your credit. You only got a few credit cards, and this is really good for you. Now, there's so many other credit cards that can pre-qualify you. Definitely check out those credit cards. They're on my website. They can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, so they can tell you yes or no, especially if you have a hard time getting approved. And check out my exclusive membership. I have all those credit cards in my exclusive membership also. And again, I teach people how to remove any negative accounts that's inaccurate so that their credit score can go up. So definitely check that out. And YouTube think that you like these videos, so definitely check out these other videos that are here. They know what you like. You watch videos all the time on YouTube, so definitely check out these videos. And if you have any questions, again, leave them in the comments. See you all in the next video.